Hey everyone, I'm finally back in Bangkok after 2 years. Actually, in fact, I just arrived at my hotel room. It's quite a new hotel, and I thought I just want to show you quickly around before it gets messy after a while. Okay, so the hotel that I'm staying at is Carlton Sukhumvit 27, and I think we got quite a good deal. Including breakfast, it's about 100 Sing dollars a night, but I suppose the price will be higher if by the time you see this video, because it's like everybody's coming back to Bangkok right now. Just now the airport is like quite crowded also, and yeah, just let me show you around. Okay, just turn the camera. Okay, so this is, I got a room on the 19th floor. This is the view. It's kind of like right smack in between Asoke and M Quarter. So actually, in fact, you can see Emporium from here. That's the from BTS Station. So either way, either direction is about 500 to 600 meters walk under the shop houses. Okay, let me just tilt it around, right? Okay, so this is just the standard room that I'm staying at, which is quite good for 2 packs. It's quite new. I mean, it's new. Oh, let's check out what's in the mini bar. Should be standard stuff. Coffee, this glass cup, and yeah, your usual. Okay, this fridge. Oops, sorry, it's the other way. Okay, I think this is complimentary. I think for me, you know, just here on a short getaway or business stay, it's quite convenient. Oh, what's inside? Hair dryer. Okay, and you have rain shower. And you can sit down and shower if you're tired. Alright, man, let's go check out the gym and the swimming pool. Okay guys, this is on the 10th floor. Just want to show you around the facilities. There's a spa here. There's a Let's Relax spa. I'm actually coming here tonight, so it's actually quite a convenient thing to have a spa in the same hotel, like the one I used to stay, I think, at Hyatt. See you. Oh, hello. Let me show you the pool. There's a bar. let's go check out the gym that we're done. Okay. Actually, when I came this morning, right, I thought the ice cream is free for all, but then apparently I saw this. Okay, so I have to pay. I think it's quite a decent gym. Alright, man, so I'm done here. I think there's one more part that I need to check out, which is the Sky Bar. Probably go visit the Sky Bar tonight and add this to the video as well. Alright, so I'll see you guys around. Hello, good morning everyone. So this is the breakfast place. So our stay actually comes with the breakfast. Just want to show you what would you be expecting if you want to come here for the breakfast as well. Muffins, so you can toast. Let's see what's here. Wow. 那什么面？OK。Mixed fruit smoothie. Okay, let's see what else. Bacon. Pork sausage. Okay, so cooked food. I think that's about it. Alright, I'll go get my breakfast. I'll see you guys later. Okay, so this is the hotel lobby. It's a nice bar over there. Okay, I think we are walking to either Terminal 21 so might as well I just show you the walk to Terminal 21. By the way, this is a Friday and now it's about 5 p.m. here, so the jam is a good familiar sight. So this time round, I'm not really here for work. It's more of a holiday. So I'm gonna be staying here till Monday. So it's a 4-day 3-night trip. And probably myself and Daryl will come back here again somewhere in June. Okay, but I suppose one of the bad thing is if it rains, then you probably have to get a cab to bring you to M Quartier instead, because we are not sheltered in any way. Managed to check out here also that you know, there's a 24 hours Supermart max value. to normal 了啊。Yeah. But 你要跑去啊？可以过马路啊？哦，上去。可以。So you have a choice. Either you climb the stairs or you cross the road.
Then let's cross the road.
Okay.
Lazy.
So my friends wants to cross the road. If you go on top, then you know, it's all linked by a sky bridge. Okay, so here we are. I'll sign off here. Later on, I'll probably at night I'll visit the sky bar of the Carlton Hotel and see how it's like, and then I'll edit to this video as well. Alright, see you guys around.